So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. I'm back again. I want to show you how to create a push notification using Python. So before we begin, we need to go to our command prompt or our terminal and type pip install, then this module name, which is called the player or the plier. So you can call it whatever you want to call it, plus, but please type it this way so that we can work together and see what's going to happen. So it says requirement already satisfied because I have this module installed on my PC. So for you, it's not going to say this, not unless you have it, but you don't know that you got it. So then after that, you want to create your .py file. So after you are done, you want to say from player, I want to import the its notification. Then after we are done with this line, you want to skip maybe a line or two, it's up to you, or skip none. So for me, it is going to be one. Then after that, I want to say notification, or you can say no tab, then dot notify, then after that you want to create the title. Okay, let me say title. Then this is going to be our message equals to empty string. Then this is going to be our timeout, set it to 10. Then before we test this application or this script, I want to say my title is going to be YouTube. Okay, let me say app so that we can make it cool. Then our message is going to be okay, let me say Laro page. Okay, no, it's fine. Laro page commented. Is it fine? Commented on your post. I don't even know that's even on YouTube, but we're gonna write anything. Commented on your post. Let me say okay, hi. Okay, it's fine. We're gonna see what's going to happen. So then after that, I think we're done. So notification to notify title YouTube message and a timeout. Okay, yeah guys, so we are done. So let's test this out and see whether it's going to, what do you need over here? Okay, let me say cmd python push.notify. You see it says YouTube app, Laro page commented on your post, hi. It's cool, isn't it? So then after that, let me say I need this icon so that it can look pretty or what, but you can download any icon you want. So for me, I got this one. So I'm going to say app icon, then it's icon.ico. So let me check the name. Okay, yeah, it's icon.ico. So I don't need the path because this icon and this script are on the same file, or sorry guys, are on the same directory of the folder. So in that case, I'll need to say icon.ico so that it can work pretty fine. Then after that, I want to say cls, enter. You see now it says Laro page commented on the post, hi, and it says YouTube app, but we're using the Camtasia TechSmith icon. So I think you're gonna get sued, but please don't report me, guys. So as you can see, guys, so let me walk you over here. So I said from player or from plier import notification. Then this is a no line or return character. Then I said notification.notify. Then I said app icon is equals to this icon over here. So it's icon.ico. Then I said title is equals to YouTube app. The message, Laro page commented, no line on your post. Then it said hi. Then we set the timeout to be 10 seconds. Then we are done. So let me test it again and see what's going to happen. You see it says YouTube app, Laro page commented on a post, hi. So yeah, it works, guys. So if this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the another one. Peace.